Hi, I'm gonna share with you how I did this style we call holiday tease. We are gonna start sectioning in the crown, and we are gonna use a rubber band with 2 bobby pins. Decided how high you want the style. Now we are gonna use a filler and use bobby pins. And now we are going to start with the top. We can use a small amount of hairspray to reform the curves on the top. And now let's see where the names come from, the tease. We are going to take a small section, start from the back, and we are going to tease a little bit and cover. Try to polish the section that you're going to show. At the same time that I'm putting the hair up, I'm covering the filler. So you are creating 2 textures, smooth and curly. Make sure that you are showing both.